wanted to take a video of the actual stepper motors. It's a bit confusing, but here's how I have mine set up. Hopefully it'll focus. The two switches in the center aren't actually used for anything, so you can kind of ignore those. I think they're not used for anything. Or it's saying here that, now that I think about it, up, it allows you to switch up and down. So if you were to switch those, if you were to switch, say, 4 down, then that would mean that, well, so actually let me restate that. So the 4 switches down, that would mean that that position is down. But if the 5 switch was down and the 4 switch was up, that would mean that up is down. I don't know, that's a bit confusing. Hopefully that's not how it's set up. But just be cautious because that may be the case. I'm not actually sure. If anyone knows, let me know. Looks like it's cutting pretty deep cuts. Maybe I need to make sure it's leveled better this next time. However, this spindle speed, or not spindle speed, but jog speed and max velocity seems to be working well. Security wall here. Still hacking, slowly but surely. Still cutting. I was able to increase the feed speed a bit more on some of the later cuts. I realized that you can hit 1, 2, actually the minute symbol there, the tilde key. You can hit those and adjust the feed speed really quickly. So 5 would be 50%, 4 would be 40%, etc. Pretty cool. You can also find, maybe you already know about this, but as a quick reference, down under the help menu, it's pretty handy. Well, still going. I ended up stopping it last night because it got too late and sort of restarted the process this morning. And been reading my machining fundamentals book here, hoping to learn some new stuff. I also realized that I need to do this differently. This is taking way too long. So I think the next time I make the toolpath, I'm gonna configure it in a way where I use the larger bit for the first pass, and then I'm gonna do the contour pass for the smaller bit. So see how that works out. Check back in a bit. Well, reporting back with not so great news. I had to pause for a bit, go to the store, and when I came back, I restarted Linux CNC, but I forgot to turn the machine on. So that then caused some havoc, and then the bit just started traveling everywhere and not on the right path when I turned the machine on finally. So there we go. Got to start over. Fun times.